What is going on YouTube? Your boy here from Africa, man. I getting the truck ready because I going to be putting another driver in this one tomorrow. So I just got to do the oil change, and before that, this truck replace the seat. I put a brand new seat on it, guys. All right, put a brand new seat in this truck. The seat cost me about $800. The original seat for this truck was so basic. There's no headrest. Like the seat can hold you like all the way back here, so you got now to lay your head against or something, and it got just one button to take up and down. And for some reason the shock absorb on the seat was bad and some other stuff, so I had to order the brand new seat, and I installed a seat. You guys want to take a look, man. Your boy from Africa, I try to save my money. I just bought a seat and I did it myself. Can you imagine if I have to buy a seat, take it to the dealership and install that? Come on, man. So this is my brand new seat that you guys see. It got like 3 buttons over here for the lower back support, and you can also use this one here to kind of like move it forward, take it back a little bit. You guys can see there, like, it's really nice. Take a look, man. Really, really, really nice. All right, it got 2 armrests. There's one right there, and there's another one right there as well. Really beautiful seat. It's so nice, guys. It's like, I don't know how to describe this seat. You got, normal lift button right here. All right, and then there you go. And then this right here is how you lower back support. When you sit in it, you can feel that moving or something like that. So it's really good. I like it. Like I said, you can also adjust the seat to move it forward. Just like that. You gotta pull this thing this way and then be able to push it back and forward and take it down. It's a really, really, really nice seat, guys. Take a look, man. I'm pretty happy right now. So let me show you guys the old seat I removed. This is the old seat right here. You guys see? I still have it when it comes to supporting your head. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you're tired, you want to lay your head against something. There's nothing like that. So this is super short, and I'm a big fan of it. On top of that, the bass was pretty bad. The how you call that, shock absorb was old and everything. Shock absorb is like $90 to replace it, but I just feel like I want to replace the entire seat to make it comfortable. Let me show you guys the bass from the other side. I'm here doing some mechanical work. I'm almost done. I'm about to go home. You guys can see the base of the old seat. You see how big and wide it is? So it looks like the airbag, the air system in the seat is no longer good. So, and on top of that, the shock absorb is right there. The shock absorb might be bad as well, including the airbag that allows the seat to go up and down, right? So both of them might not be working right, but I don't want to waste my day like replacing those stuff. So I just went ahead and replaced the seat. So what I'm doing right now is I'm also getting a fresh oil change because my driver going to be going over the road tomorrow with this truck. My other driver's already over the road. Over here, I had to replace a brand new filter. You guys can take a look over there. You will see I got a brand new filter right there. That white thing over there, that's a brand new filter right there. So if you look in the box, over here in the back, this is the old filter. All right, see the oil is pretty dirty. So all I did was take the filter apart. I want to buy the same filter and keep it as well, just in case, but I don't need it because the filter that I put on the truck right now is a common engine filter, so that's good. But if you guys looking to buy the oil, you can see I have a Walmart shipping box right there. So I got my oil on Walmart.com. So go on Walmart.com. It's pretty cheap, free shipping. Because when you go sometimes to the dealership, they try to sell you the basic oil for a lot of money, right? So go to Walmart.com and get your oil and then be able to do your oil change. So like I said, right now I'm done doing the oil change and everything. So let's go ahead and, test the bad boy. Like I said, I already replaced, how you call the oil and brand new filter and everything. Let's go ahead and fire it up. We're gonna let the, fuel filter and all that oil pump, whatever, kick in a little bit before we start the engine. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There we go. You guys see it? Ready, man? That's the boy from Africa. I try to do it myself to save myself some money. And That's it. You guys see it? Job well done, guys. So I'm about to get out of here, and the truck is all good right now. Oil is all taken care of. Driver's gonna come over tomorrow, and then he's gonna be going on the road. Yeah. The boy looking good. Got fresh oil filter. Ready to hit the road. Woo! Yeah, you gotta do this, man, to save yourself some money, though. You know, this is a tough time for trucker right now. If you own a truck, you gotta learn how to do your own service so you save some money for yourself. Otherwise, you're gonna give all that money to people, man. But look at this. The truck is running great. Got LED fog light, LED headlights. It's good to go. My driver's gonna be super happy, even though he's new. But yeah, at the end of the day, man, I'm here to take care of business. That's your boy from Africa, man. I gotta go home. It's getting late now. It's about 7 p.m. But I'm staying outside underneath the T-Mobile tower. Yes, sir. Yeah, real quick, man. If you guys see over there, that's super brand new, right? That's a cabin shock exhaust. You know, even though it got a little airbag over there, but that right there, if it go bad, you know, when you get into a pothole, you're gonna feel it a lot. All right. So even I have a brand new seat, but for the fact that that was bad, it wasn't helping. So I have to change that and also change the seat, guys. So this is the old one. This is the manufacturer one. You guys take a look at it, how bad it is. It won't even stay in place. Let's say I press it down. Normally it was supposed to stay in position. But you guys see, it's coming out, right? That means it's pretty bad. You know what I mean? So this is the original part. I mean, this thing's been on the truck since it was manufactured, bro. So now I have a brand new. That's the box for it. Like I said, in this business, you got to do some on your own in order to save that extra dollar, because right now business is tough, right? You know, you got fuel prices crazy and everything. Nobody know when the fuel price is gonna go down. So at the end of the day, if you end up doing some like this, you save yourself some money. And my next move is to change that one right there. All right, you guys can see that's the one that reduces the vibration to the engine when you get into a pothole. So it reduces that. It's one on the left and one on the right. That's my next move. This one here is super easy to change. When I open the hood and everything, it's super easy. You guys can see that. So that's my next move. I'm gonna replace that. That's your boy from Africa, man. I'm going home to get ready, take shower and everything. I've been here all day. Look at that bad boy, man. You see how short it is? Yeah, I had to take it from my daughter's car, man. So when you take a look on the side, you see it's just one button, right? It's one button, man. It's a cheap seat ever, man. But look at my new toy, man. You guys see that? Whoop. Yeah. The boy from Africa, man, you know, because I'm a handy guy, right? I stay trying to organize. I got a bunch of tools that I need to organize them in here anyway. But for now, you know, I got my impact wrench, my drill, and, you know, a lot of different stuff. I got a lot of tools, man. There's tools everywhere, you know, in those yellow boxes. It's all loaded up with my tools, and I have to organize it in that thing. You know what I'm saying? And when you look over here as well, look at this, man. I dumped everything out here. I'm about to organize it. When you look over here, it's all loaded up with tools as well. You know, so I gotta do everything home, though, you know. This is a difficult moment right now for everybody that owns a truck. Even if you own a car, if you can do yourself an oil change or something to save yourself some money, go ahead and do it. You know what I'm saying? You see, that's my heavy duty jack, and I got a jack stand just in case I want to do oil change, you know, things like that. Yeah, so that's what I do. And this seat right here, honestly, I can take a photo and post it on eBay. Somebody gonna buy it. You know, there are people that don't mind. Like if you're doing just Amazon load, like, you know, local, yeah, that's okay. But if you have to send a driver OTR, it's gonna be driving 10, 11 hours a day. You want them to be comfortable, and that's my goal. You know, I want to treat people like the way I want to be treated. You know, because I drive the truck myself, I get to take it, you know, to go drop on loads and everything. I want to make sure I'm comfortable myself before I even get to put anybody in the truck. I want them to be comfortable. At the end of the day, I get to do all this stuff on my own. You know, I'm gonna recycle the oil. I dump all my dirty oil in here. That's the way you should do it. And then I will take it down to maybe AutoZone. They take a dirty oil. You just dump it in there or whatever. Do not dump the oil. Do not throw that in the trash can. Just take it to maybe AutoZone. It's all loaded up with dirty oil right now. I got a lot of mess in my garage. I need to organize that in a way that you know, my garage is gonna look pretty and everything. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, man. Peace and love.